Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we are checking out the Treasure X Dragons Gold. This is like the regular size ones. We've done the mini beast ones before. Let me just give you guys a close look at the packaging here. It's the front. Here's the back. The other side, the top. And the bottom. Oh, it's upside down. There we go. On the bottom. There we go. We got... Oh, no, it wasn't upside down. This is correct. There we go. Alright, it says Rip, Dig, and Ooze your way to treasure. Collect all 8 dragons. For size comparison, I have the mini beast box next to me. So, there's the size comparison for you guys. Now, if this looks like it's the one with like the tool. We got the Dragon X tool, and it took us a while to dig this one out, so let's see how this goes for us, shall we? How do I... Oh, I did exactly what I didn't want to do, which is rip the box. I want to carefully take it out because I wanted to keep the box. Go. Alright, so we have the box open. Alright, and the contents are here. You know what? I'm going to move this case pack out of the way. So we have more space here. The table's pretty dirty. That's okay. Alright, so inside the box, this nice and neat over here. Alright, so we have our X tool. Here's our X tool. It's got a few different ones all around. This looks like, there we go. We got like a rake looking thing, like a drill looking thing, like a spear and like a shovel type of thing going on here, and encased in plastic. There we go. We have our block. Pretty hard. Important. For easier digging, unwrap and place block under running water for 30 seconds. Alright, so when we get to that, I'm going to off camera just run this under some water. Alright, we got a little piece of paper inside. What do we got here? Looking through the dragon's eye to find the X to reveal the treasure you may find. Alright, so we have this going on. Have some stuff on the bottom here on the paper. Let me look here. It says hunt for the Arctic thermometer on the quest. Oh, okay, so the different treasures are here. They just list the treasures. On the back it has instructions for us. Let me show you guys the instructions. And then the different dragons we could possibly get and treasures. Alright, so let me read the back. Instructions for your quest for treasure. 1. Find the map to begin your quest for treasure. 2. Rip through the gold layer and discover the rock. Use the X tool to help rip through. Hold the dragon's eye up to your eye and look through at the map below. Oh, so but it's not below, it's on the back, okay. Look through the dragon's eye to find the X and reveal the treasure you may find, okay. For easier digging, place the block under running water for 30 seconds. Dig your way through the rock to discover the secrets hidden inside. Discover the bones of a dragon. Remove wrap from body. Wash all the parts in water and build your dragon. Find the dragon's heart. Unwrap and open to reveal a dragon's ooze inside. Did you find gold? 10. Display your dragon, the golden treasure heart, and treasure. Alright, so we have stone treasure and we have an ultra rare gold dipped treasure. Okay, so let's open this. I'll use this to help me out. We will unwrap the gold wrap here. Unwrapping this, it gives us our block. And there's our like dragon's eye thing. I'm gonna try to get it out. There we go. This is our dragon's eye. Alright, so I'm gonna look at the map here. Let's see. we just look at it through? I'm gonna point it up. Alright, so the question is, look through the dragon's eye to find the X. Okay, so we have to find the X here. I'm looking. And you know what? I don't see an X. Okay, well, I don't see anything, but it's just red through this. I don't see an X, so maybe we're not gonna get any of this treasure here, so let's move that aside. Alright, so I'm gonna take this, run it underwater, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I actually ran it underwater for a minute. We'll see if it helps. I'm just gonna do it on this table. It's gonna be messy, so here we go. Alright, I think these are all the pieces. This is the mess. I'm going to clean this up and we'll assemble and see what we got. Alright, here we go. I washed the dirt off of the pieces here, cleaned up the table. Let's put this guy together. Now, I'm not quite sure which of the legs are the back legs. I'm going to assume it's like this. Oh no, it's gotta be this way. These are his back legs. This is his front. Like so. And the head. There we go. And there we go. We got our Treasure X dragon. Let's find out this one. Let's see. We got Bling Vikings. That's Asgardian dragon. Alright, and as for the dragon egg treasure, let's open this thing up and see what we got inside. Got some purple ooze going on. Alright, and it looks like we got one of the stone treasures. If I can get this out of here. Check this ooze out. Ah. It's really stuck to my finger here. We got the Hammer of Glory. Oh. We got the Hammer of Glory, just one of the stone treasures. Alright, and I'll stick that back in there. Alright, unfortunately we did not get the gold dipped treasure. Maybe one of these days we will. But there you have it. So that, once again guys, was the Treasure X Dragons Gold. Let's put that, let's assemble all this stuff together like that. And we're nice and neat. I love the like the kind of toys where you don't really know what you're gonna get. It's kind of a mystery, and you have fun opening it up, and you have all that like digging and stuff that you can do. It was a mess, but it was pretty cool. You get this nice little figure, this little like egg thing, and there you have it. Alright guys, thanks for checking out this video. If you guys liked it, be sure to check out our other unboxing videos on the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.